In this video, we will create a miter flange part shown. In this part, we will make use of base flange and miter flange features. Let's get started. Sketch a straight line on the front plane. Set the dimension to 80 mm. Switch to Sheet Metal tab and select Base Flange Stroke tab. Set the thickness to 2 mm. Adjust the depth to 30 mm. Leave other parameters and settings as default. Click OK. Switch to Sheet Metal tab and click on Miter Flange. On the Property Manager, you are prompted to select a plane, a planar face or an edge on which to sketch the feature cross-section. Let's select this face. Then we will create a sketch of a line from this top left vertex. Set the line dimension to 40 mm and orient it at 135 degrees from this edge. Exit the sketch, and a miter flange is inserted along the sketched line. To generate miter flange along a given edge, simply select the edge next to the generated flange. Keep selecting the edges until you have the preview right. You can adjust the radius, flange position, gap distance, and so on. Let's set the gap distance to 1 mm. Once done, click OK. Now, you have your sheet metal part generated using base flange and in particular the miter flange feature.